in the business report. The Planning Institute of Jamaica has reported that the economy contracted by an estimated 2.9% during the April to June 2026 quarter. However, Director General Dr. Wayne Henry says the manufacturing industry grew by an estimated 1% as increased output in the other manufacturing sub-industry more than offset an estimated contraction in the food, beverages, and tobacco component. Speaking during the PIOJ's quarterly briefing on Tuesday, he also noted that the performance of the services industry reflected contractions across all subsectors, with the exception of financial and insurance activities and wholesale and retail trade, repair of motor vehicles and motorcycles, and installation of machinery and equipment.
For the other manufacturing sub-industry, the estimated increase was as a result of higher output of non-metallic minerals due to cement production up 56.8% and clinker up 203.9%.
Denise Williams has more news from the financial market.
Jamaica's inflation rate increased in July, with the All-Jamaican Consumer Price Index rising to 1.2%, according to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, stated. The increase was driven mainly by a 6.3% jump in the transportation division, largely reflecting the second phase of increases in route taxi and hackney carriage fares. Food prices also contributed to the increase, with food and non-alcoholic beverages division rising 0.6%. Meanwhile, inflation for the 12 months to July stood at 7.5%. The main contributors to the annual increase were food and non-alcoholic beverages up 9.4%, transport up 13.6%, and housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels up 5.2%. The latest inflation figure remains above the BOJ's target range of 4 to 6%. For the trading period of August 18, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 13,682,382 units, representing 43.90% of market sales. JFP Limited with 3,827,908 units, representing 12.28% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited shares of 1,454,538 units, representing 4.67% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 18, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.40 and buying at $157.41. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.21 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.19 and was bought for $111.98. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.30 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.47 and was bought for $213.17. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, when food and other essentials become more expensive while salaries remain stagnant, households often turn to credit to fill the gap. The ultimate goal is to move from using credit to survive rising costs to using financial capability to build wealth. Good credit gives you access to capital. Growing income gives you capacity. Assets create wealth. The problem is that your credit report records the financial consequences, not the reason behind them. So it doesn't show that groceries become more expensive. It shows higher credit card balances, increased utilization, more debt, late payments if they occur, and reduced borrowing capability. The solution isn't simply to stop using credit, it's to protect your credit worthiness while increasing your financial capability and capacity. That means protect your credit, pay on time, increase income, build cash reserves, acquire assets, and the ultimate goal is to use credit to build yourself. And that is why your credit report is such a powerful tool. It gives you guidance as to where you need to build. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.